Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Let's see what's inside. And also check out their other goodies besides this item. But if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship it to you fast. Let's see what this could be. Ooh, baby. Here we go. Brand new, just come out. Coming from Roccat Kone Pro Air Titan Switch Optical Stellar Wireless. Oh, baby. 75 grams, super lightweight. 16.8 million colors RGBA lighting. Oh, this is the top of them all, guys. Iconic cone shape with a K, now with C. Optical speed, pro performance. That's what we need these days. Oh, look at that. Alright. Oops, there's a cut right there. So definitely check out Roccat. They got a lot of sweet keyboards, USB style mouses, pretty much everything you need for your PC. All you gotta do is click the link and browse around. There we go. Show you guys down. Oops. Here we go. Get the manual. Ooh. Look at that. Oh. Here's all the good stuff. Charge it up. Get a nice lengthy size USB. So definitely going to be using that. I think we remove. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, it's super smooth. Alright, let's see. Alright guys, here is the wireless dongle. It's called right here. So that's where you're going to plug it into your computer. Come on. I got it nice and snug in there. Come on, Roccat. There we go. Alright, we got it out. Yay. So there's that. Pretty much just plug it in. It shows in the manual how to set it up. Left mouse, right mouse button, universal scroll, scroll up, scroll down. IE forward is on the side. IE backwards. Pro cycle button is on the back. Dongle storage. So they got a spot where you could keep this guy. If you could go to, oh, look at that. You can just pop it out on the go. Or you can use USB. So that's really cool. Something different. But we're going to test out the USB. And hop over to the other computer. I'll be right back. Alright guys. Really easy to set up. Once you plug in USB, it reads it automatically and it is working really fast. Check this out. There it goes. Pretty smooth. I need to get a new gaming mat. This was getting beat up a little bit, so. But this mouse is amazing. Look at that. It's like a heartbeat. Really cool, guys. So definitely check them out. Roccat Kone, true wireless gaming mouse, computer mouse, everyday use. Super slick, lightweight, great to carry on. That is smooth. See right there. Go up, go down. Go up, go down. Alright guys, check them out. Have a good weekend. Be safe.